Hey Traveler, it's Katie here with Thrifty Traveler, and today we're going to go over how to book an award flight using your Cathay Pacific Asia Miles. Cathay Pacific is part of the One World Alliance, which means that you can book partner airlines through their miles, such as Finnair, British Airways, or American Airlines. And the nice thing is that most big banks transfer to Cathay Pacific except for Chase, so it isn't too hard to rack up miles with them. One thing to note is that if you are looking for a partner award flight that you know should be there, but you can't find it on the Cathay Pacific site, it is very probable that you'll be able to book that flight over the phone if you just call into Cathay Pacific. And the other nice thing is that Cathay Pacific is able to put their own flights on hold for up to 48 hours while you transfer points, but it's been hit or miss on whether they've been able to put partner airline flights on hold while you transfer points. So let's get started and I'll show you how to book an award flight. All right, so to start off, we're going to be going to cathaypacific.com and then you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account, they are free to make. And once you're logged in, you'll scroll down and there's some tabs right here. So for award flights, you'll click Redeem Flights and then you'll type in the flight information that you want to book. So for this example, I'm going to be searching for Atlanta to London Heathrow. I want to search one way and then I want a business class flight. And for this one, I will search for 2 people. You'll select your departure date. So for this one, I want to fly on June 29th. And then you'll just click out and select Redeem Flights. Okay, after the results come up, you can scroll down to see what's there. In some cases, there will be multiple different flights listed with connections. In that case, you can just filter for the direct flight that you want to see. And you'll see the flight here at 63,000 Asia Miles. And the nice thing is that when you're booking British Airways flights through Cathay Pacific from the US to London, the fees are actually lower on the outbound than when you would book through British Airways Avios. It's not the same on the reverse. If you're booking from London to the United States, it is actually more expensive to book on Cathay Pacific. So the strategy is to book your way there on Cathay Pacific and the flights back on British Airways Avios if you are flying British Airways to London. So you can come over here and for 2 passengers, it's 126,000 and you can change the currency. Sometimes it's just a little bit off depending on what the current exchange rate is. But in general, it'll be about $470 for the 2 adults. And the nice thing is that Cathay Pacific uses a distance-based chart. So most flights from the East Coast to Europe will be about 63,000. And from the West Coast to Europe, they are around 89,000. So this is an example for booking a partner award flight. I'm going to show you another little trick in just a minute. All right, so for this next example, I'm going to show you how to book a mixed class award ticket. Cathay Pacific does it similarly to Avianca Life Miles, where they calculate the amount that you pay based on the percentage that you spend in each class. So for this example, I'm going to show you a mixed first and business class flight flying on Cathay Pacific from JFK. Now, something that I also wanted to show you is if you are looking for availability, Cathay Pacific on their own flights will sometimes show availability in their calendar using these little seat icons. So if you scroll back and you see some of these seat icons on some of the days, that generally means there's availability, but it may not always be super accurate. And we've generally only seen it when you're looking up to 6 months in advance, not really after that. So for this example, I want to search on October 12th. And this flight is going to be from JFK all the way to Auckland with a stopover in Hong Kong. So I'll search one way, first class, and then I will search on October 12th. And generally the nonstop flight from Hong Kong or from JFK to Hong Kong is 160,000 miles each way per passenger. But when you add on a second leg in business class afterwards, it actually brings the price down. So you'll see when these results pop up that it actually is only 141,300 points to add that second leg on in business class from Hong Kong to Auckland. So if you're on the East Coast and you're looking for a cool way to get to either Southeast Asia, Auckland, or sometimes Australia is there as well, this is a great way to do it, and it even makes the price cheaper than just flying on that nonstop flight to Hong Kong. From the West Coast, flying from LAX, it isn't always the case where it makes it cheaper since the distance is not the same, but in this case, the distance prices out to where it makes it actually cheaper. So, hope this helps and hope you can book that first class flight. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to Thrifty Traveler. And if you want to see more flight deals bookable with Cathay Pacific Asia Miles, sign up for Thrifty Traveler Premium at thriftytraveler.com/premium. Thanks and happy booking!